My name is Samara Margarita Lozano Sequea, making a presentation about my best friend. Lina Margarita. This is my best friend Lina Margarita Perez. It's 20 years old. She is a tall, slim, and strong young woman, and she has long, straight, blonde hair. Her face is round, and she has a small dark eyes. Lina is very polite, with a very nice and charming personality. She is cute, romantic, and cheerful. She cannot hope to ride a motorcycle either, but no, she cannot how to ride, and she does it very well. As a child, she was she could not speak or express herself easily in public, but she could dance without any problem. Skill. She could go to school alone because she lived very far away and it was very dangerous to cross the street. She also did not know how to cook and wash her clothes. Hobby. Since she was a child, she has liked to play sport, mainly basketball, and she still does it frequently, as it is her favorite pastime. His favorite food is coconut, rice, and fish, either fried or steamed. His favorite color is pink. He is not a fan of red or yellow. Pleasures. My friends had onions, but she loved lettuce. She likes a king of natural whiskey, and she does like to drink soda. He does usually watch TV or go to parties. He likes to listen to music, read, and ride a bike. Thank you.